Hey everybody, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. Welcome to today's 3-Minute Thursday. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about something that can help keep you a little more comfortable, a little bit more cool when you're camping, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so as I mentioned, today we're going to be talking about a kind of a cool product that will help keep you comfortable and cool in a tent, in a hammock, wherever you choose to sleep at night. I hadn't had one of these previously, and I tell you what, when you get a night that's just balmy and hot and just muggy and there's no wind, it can be pretty awful sleeping in a tent or under a tarp or anything like that. So for a very low amount of money, this thing cost me about 14 bucks. I actually picked up this little light fan combo. The cool thing about it though is that one, it can take 3 AA batteries in the back right here. And I'll put it down here too so you can see. So 3 AA batteries right back here that you can replace. So you can run it off battery power. When you do that at full light and fan, I think it lasts for about 2 hours. If you do it with just fan, it's about 8 hours. So it should get you through most of the night with the batteries. So I would use that maybe more as a backup. The cool thing about this though, and the reason that I bought it, is actually this cord, and I've kind of been storing it like this. I just wrapped it around the handle so that it would stay with it. I didn't have to worry about losing it. But I'll untangle this here and get it off of here for you. So, as I just mentioned, there's 3 batteries in the back here, so it's not really sustainable. You'd have to bring a bunch of batteries with you if you're on more than a single night trip. Plus, I have a lot of problems since I then put my camping gear away for weeks, even months at a time, sometimes in between trips, with the batteries corroding the inside of them and then ruining the fan. That's what happened to my last one. So, but what I like about it is I will probably never put a battery in the back of this. What I'll do is, and the really cool thing about this is, you can run it off of any USB source. So again, on this next trip that I'm getting ready to go on, I'm going to take a bunch of, I've got this one little one, and then I've got a couple of bigger 240,000 milliamp hour batteries that I'm going to take with me. When I do that though, those things ought to power this thing for quite a long time. And then during the day when I'm on trips driving, then I shouldn't have any problem charging up the batteries again and then being ready to go for the following night. So all you have to do is take any sort of a battery pack, sort of a power bank that you have, plug it into the fan, turn on the battery pack there, and then as you can see, first setting is the fan. Press it again, you get just light. Press it a third time, you get both light and fan. And then you press it again and it goes off. So again, super straightforward, simple to use. This thing, you can hear it clicking, adjust, so you can hang it straight above you in your tent. And it's got this little handy hook that pops up so that you can hang it from your guy line that your tarp hangs from above you. If you're in a hammock, you can hang it from the top of your tent. And then it all folds back down and stores nice and easily. It's maybe about 1.5 inches or 2 thick. But so yeah, it's super handy, it's small, it's inexpensive. So, I'm super excited to use this thing. It actually moves quite a bit of air too. So, but the fact that you can power it off any sort of power bank that you have, for me, is a big win. So definitely recommend checking this out. I'll put a link down below in the comments to this fan if you want to pick one up. All right, guys, so that's it for the 3-Minute Thursday review of the small battery-powered fan. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some information out of it that's useful for you. If you aren't already, please go down below and click subscribe. Click the bell notification to be notified when a new video comes out. I put out a 3-Minute Thursday or at least a gear review every week, and I also do a once a week podcast/vlog. So it's on YouTube. It's also on all the major podcast channels. There are links to that down below in the description as well. So please, comment, let me know what you want to hear on the next one. Let me know if there's a piece of gear that you'd like me to review, and I'm happy to do it. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a good one. Get out there and explore.